Hi guys! I'm just going to review a Filofax Saffiano zip in a zip. I just received my package from Amazon. It took about 2 days and I paid a total of it was $38 plus some change from Amazon, and the shipping, I believe like it it was a total of $40, 42, $43 total for this wallet. I wanted to purchase this wallet because I'm going to start the cash envelope again. I've been doing the cash envelope for 2 years now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it came in with or how it came in. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, this is what it came in. I just scratched my information, just so nobody can see it or send me some weird stuff. I also cut the top to come in this container. I really love the container. Anywho, boom, right there, comes in this box. I didn't open it yet. This is the first time I'm opening it. I just cut the top in here. This, by the way, is really good. This bubble wrap, I don't know if you guys can tell. I know I'm not reviewing the bubble wrap, I'm reviewing this wallet. Anywho, that's what it looked like. I get the Tone TAWN in color. I was actually surprised how big it is when I got it. Like, look at that. Wow, that's like a book. My Bible is the same big height width as this. Okay, I didn't expect it to be this big. Okay, so if you guys don't know how big it is, this is size 9. Bam. 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 That's, I know, so ghetto. Pupe. Anywho, that's what it looked like. Nothing in the box but this paper that actually protect it and some little druggy. Anywho, this is what it look like. It's so pretty. Oh, by the way, it's the same color as this box. Is another box and another box right there. Yep, I know, I love Amazon. I have a problem. Anywho, this is what it look like. If you guys want me to do a review, because I know I'm not very active in my YouTube. Honestly, I use YouTube as kind of like my Wikipedia. If I needed to buy something, I go to YouTube to make sure if it's, see how good it is. I'm pretty sure there's easiest way to open this thing right here, but honestly right now I'm using one hand because why not? I have my phone with me. Oh, this is so freaking cute. And sorry, I'm using every limb I can get or I can use to open this box. It would have been funny if I'm opening this, reviewing it, and I cut the whole thing by accident. So ignore my so open up. Okay. So okay. See, this is the one I got, guys. This is the Filofax compact zip organizer. This is the Filofax Saffiano A. It's in fawn. I'm sorry, I thought it was in tone. TAWN. It's in fawn. I guess that's the color fawn. Ooh, the UPC number is there as well. Really good. Now let's open this. Oh, this is so big. That's what she said. I know, I'm dirty. And this is what it looked like. I know it's gonna be so long and it's gonna be so ghetto, but whatever. Ooh, it's so pretty. I also got a little, like, for this side right here, a little stapler thingy. This is what came out. I also got, I'm sorry, I know that's dirty. I got my foot in there or whatever. It's big. My hands are big. And these are big. Like, this is the scissor that I got. I don't know how. I'm sorry, I'm very unorganized, but yes. I love it. As you guys can see, in every review that I see, I never know. I don't know if you can see. This is rubber, like elastic band that you put in your zip in your pants or something. Wow, nice. Ooh, like look at that. I know. Thank you guys. So if you guys want me to review this, just let me know. Okay. Bye.